How's it going, everyone? So today I'm going to talk about how to get high cheekbones the natural way. So in this video I will show you 3 exercises that you can do to get defined cheekbones and jawline. So exercise number 1, all we're going to do is simply smile. So we're going to smile as wide as we can. So big smile, you guys. Looks really funny, you guys, but just do that. Smile for 10 seconds. We're going to do this 3 times a day. And again, hold for 10 seconds. Second exercise that we're going to do is going to be a fish face. So again, make a fish face with your cheeks. Just go like this. We're going to hold that for 10 seconds as well, you guys. We want to do this 3 times a day. The next exercise that we're going to do is we're going to open our mouth as wide as possible. And we're going to hold this for 10 seconds as well. So that's all we're going to do for the exercise portion of it, you guys. So again, the exercises, you're simply going to smile. You're going to hold that for 10 seconds. You're then going to do a fish face. You're going to hold that for 10 seconds. You're then going to open your mouth as wide as possible. And you're also going to hold that as well for 10 seconds, you guys. Now, people ask me all the time, what body fat percentage do you need to be if you want to look very good to get that high cheekbones and to look very lean in the face? What body fat percentage do you need? Now, the body fat percentage is going to vary from person to person, but generally around 10% body fat, you guys. That's the body fat percentage that's really going to pop out, and that's the body fat percentage that you want to try to get as lean as possible, but at the same time allowing yourself to maintain that body fat percentage. Here's the thing, you guys. If you get to too low of a body fat percentage, to maintain that body fat percentage is going to be damn near impossible. That's why getting to 7-8% body fat is very hard to maintain that. It's better to sit around 10% body fat. 10% body fat isn't that hard to maintain, but again, 7-8% body fat, much harder to maintain. And to get a good jawline, you don't need to get to 7% body fat. 10% body fat is more than enough to look very shredded, you guys, and to look very lean. So again, the 3 exercises I recommend: simply smile, do the fish face, open your mouth as wide as possible. That is what's going to allow you guys to get that sick jawline. So end the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. Please like the video and share it. Thanks again, everyone.